Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with a warm engine because oil thins and valves seat predictably. This gives repeatable readings. Once done, disable ignition to avoid sparks and remove all spark plugs so the starter turns the engine freely. Attach the compression gauge to the first cylinder and make sure the throttle is open or the throttle body is held wide so the engine breathes. This prevents vacuum from limiting compression. Crank the engine steadily for 5 to 7 compression strokes while you watch the gauge rise. You need consistent, repeatable readings, so crank each cylinder for 5 to 7 revolutions and note the peak sigh. Repeat that measurement once or twice for each cylinder to confirm stability. Inconsistent peaks mean a poor seal or testing error. Make sure readings between repeats are within about 10%. If not, recheck setup and battery charge. Once all cylinders are measured, compare numbers. A cylinder 15 to 20% lower than the highest indicates a leak in rings, valves, or head gasket. You finish by diagnosing low readings. Add a small amount of oil into the low cylinder and repeat the test. If compression rises substantially, worn rings are likely, whereas no change points to valves or head gasket. Once suspected, use a leak-down test or listen/smell for escaping air while cranking to localize leaks. After repairs, record new readings, reinstall spark plugs, and re-enable ignition. If numbers still trouble you, check valve timing, cam condition, or consult a mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.